Okay guys, so let's continue with our topic of lifespan and let's see what more we can discuss in this. Okay, so as we all discussed that the lifespan is also called longevity and macrobiosis, and I told you before that what is lifespan? Lifespan is the period from the birth to the natural death of an organism, and we discussed the lifespan of many organisms. I hope you made a list and you learned it also. So now the next topic that we are going to discuss is maximum lifespan. Okay, maximum lifespan, average lifespan, and then the life expectancy. All these topics that you need to remember very nicely. Okay, so let's start with the maximum lifespan. Now the maximum lifespan, it is a feature of species. Now this is very important. Okay, maximum lifespan is a feature of species, and what is that? Maximum age achieved by any member of a species. So maximum lifespan is the maximum age achieved by any member of a species. So in humans it is 121 years. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Now let's come to average lifespan. Average lifespan is a feature of population. Now many students get confused in this, like maximum lifespan is a feature of species and the average lifespan is a feature of population. So ये आपको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है क्योंकि हम इसमें confuse हो जाते हैं फिर question गलत हो जाता है. So average lifespan is the average number of years survived by individuals of a population. So what is average lifespan? The average number of years survived by individual of a population. So it is, you can see here the word population is very important. Okay, now let's move on to next topic, that is the life expectancy. Now what is life expectancy? Expected number of years survived by an individual in a population. Now you don't get confused, just be careful what you are using, whether it is a population or whether it is species. You have to be very careful while learning this. Life expectancy is the expected number of years survived by an individual in a population, and it is depending on the average lifespan. So you have to remember that life expectancy is related to average lifespan. Now the life expectancy of people in India is 65. Now it is because the medical facilities in our country has improved massively, so that's why the life expectancy of people has also increased. Okay, now in USA it is much more, it is a developed country. India is still a developing country. Japan is also very much ahead of India. So in India it is 65, in USA it is 78, and in Japan it is 81. This is the life expectancy of people in these three countries that you have to remember. Okay, now I hope that you are very thorough with all these: maximum lifespan, the average lifespan, and the life expectancy. ओके, सो आप सब इसको नोट कर लीजिए अच्छे से. अब उसके बाद हम अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जो कि है ये नोट. ये आप सब नोट में लिख लीजिए दैट लाइफ स्पैन की 4 स्टेजेस. नंबर 1 इज juvenility, next is maturity, then aging and senescence, and death. So basically you can see from the name itself what is juvenility. Basically juvenility is the period before the maturity, when the birth of an organism takes place and they are incapable of reproduction. It is the growth phase of an organism. Okay, this is the first one. Now maturity, what happens in maturity? Basically reproduction begins in maturity. Then aging and senescence, what happens? Deterioration of body occurs, like they are unable to reproduce and they get old and body gets deteriorated. Okay, then there is death. So these are the 4 stages of any lifespan of an organism that you have to remember, and note it down all the points, and you can also take a screenshot.